Hello and welcome to our course video. Today, we're diving into one of the fundamental aspects of Python, keywords. These reserved words are essential for anyone looking to master Python. Let's get started. In Python, keywords are reserved words that have specific meanings and uses in the language. They form the foundation of Python's syntax and cannot be used as identifiers. Keywords are case-sensitive and must be written in lowercase. There are 35 keywords in total in Python 3.10. Let's explore each of them in detail. First, we have logical operators, and, or, and not. These operators are used to perform logical operations on boolean values. And returns true if both operands are true. Or returns true if at least one operand is true. Not returns true if the operand is false. Next, let's look at conditional statements, if, elif, and else. These keywords are used to execute code based on certain conditions. If checks a condition and executes a block of code if it's true. Elif provides an additional condition if the previous if is false. Else executes a block of code if all previous conditions are false. Looping constructs like for and while allow you to repeat code execution. For iterates over a sequence, while continues to execute as long as its condition is true. Control the flow of loops using break, continue, and pass. Break terminates the loop prematurely. Continue skips to the next iteration, and pass does nothing and serves as a placeholder. Functions are defined using def and values are returned using return. Def is used to define a function, and return exits a function, optionally returning a value. Classes, which are blueprints for creating objects, are defined using the class keyword. Class is used to define a class structure. Import modules using import, from, and as. Import brings in a module, from imports specific attributes, and as gives a module an alias. Handle exceptions using try, except, finally, and raise. Try tests for errors, except handles errors, finally executes code regardless of an error, and raise generates an error. Use with and as for context management. With wraps code execution in context methods, and as assigns an alias. Create anonymous functions using lambda. Lambda creates small anonymous functions on the fly. Manage variable scope with global and non-local. Global declares a global variable, and non-local affects variables in enclosing scopes. Understand boolean values and the none keyword. True and false represent boolean values, while none signifies the absence of a value. Use assert for debugging and del for deletion. Assert tests a condition for debugging, and del deletes objects. Create generators using yield. Yield pauses a function and returns a value, maintaining its state for resumption. That's a comprehensive look at Python keywords. Understanding these keywords is essential for writing effective Python code. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials.